Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Practicals are where you either pick up easy marks or lose them by being one word off the mark scheme. This video runs through all 10 AQA required practicals, the headline method and the killer exam phrase for each. Delta E equals mc delta theta. Insulate the block. Plot temperature against energy. Gradient is 1 over mc. Wrap identical beakers in different materials. Add hot water, measure cooling. Trapped air is the key insulator. R equals V over I. Resistance is proportional to length. Keep current low. Heating changes resistance. Straight line for a resistor. S-curve for a filament lamp. Heating raises resistance. One-way flow for a diode. Rho equals m over v. For regular solid, measure dimensions. For irregular, use water displacement. Water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Hooke's law. F equals Ke up to the limit of proportionality. Gradient of force extension graph gives K. F equals Ma. Trolley with hanging masses, light gates. Include the hanging mass in the total system mass. V equals F lambda. Ripple tank plus strobe for water waves. String on vibration generator. Nodes give the wavelength. Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection from the normal. Refracted ray bends towards the normal in denser medium. Leslie cube, 4 surfaces. Matte black is the best emitter and absorber. Shiny silver reflects the most. 10 practicals, 10 headlines. If you want the full method, variables, expected results, common errors, and 50 exam-style questions with worked answers, grab the PH Physics Required Practicals Mastery Workbook at phmaths.com. Simple explanations, serious results.